Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Up. Today I will show you how to change your profile picture on your Discord app. So let's see how it is done. First open the Discord app and then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Here you will see different options. Choose the profile option right below account option. Here you will see your profile picture and on the profile picture you will see a pencil kind of icon. Tap on that and here you will see a menu box pop up. On the menu box pop up you will see different options. You will see change avatar, get animated avatars and remove avatar. We will choose change avatar and then choose the app from which you want to select the photo. I am choosing photos. Then select the photo you want to upload. Then adjust your photo. You can rotate your photo and zoom it and zoom out your photo. After editing your photo, tap on the tick icon at the top right corner. Here, after choosing the photo, tap on save option which is at the top right corner. Here you can see you have successfully changed the profile picture. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.